Welcome to Long Brainy. This is a channel where I explore ideas born from my desire to make a difference in the world. It's important to note that while some of these ideas may already exist in more developed countries, others are yet to exist at all, and many are entirely new creations of my imagination. All ideas are purely conceptualized during my moments of reflection. I've chosen to share these ideas because, while I may not have the capacity to develop them myself, I believe they hold the potential to inspire and innovate. Each idea may seem ambitious or even unconventional. But remember, innovation often starts with what may appear crazy at first glance. You're invited to join in, brainstorm, and contribute to these concepts. Today, we explore a groundbreaking idea, an e-commerce store specifically designed for web applications. Imagine a world where shopping isn't just for clothes or groceries, but also for the building blocks of digital innovation, web applications. Picture this. An e-commerce store specifically designed for web apps, where entrepreneurs and developers alike can browse, select, and purchase essential components for their business ideas. Instead of starting from scratch or relying on costly custom development, or even existing no-code platforms, imagine having access to a marketplace where developers create modular snippets of code, like a login page or a payment gateway. These snippets are meticulously crafted and categorized based on programming languages, database compatibility, and more. Here's how it works. You, as a business owner or a developer with a vision, visit this virtual store. Today, you might be in need of a robust login page for your new app. You browse through the options, compare features, and select the perfect snippet that fits your requirements. With a few clicks, you purchase it, just like any other online transaction. Now comes the exciting part, integrating your purchased snippet into your project. It's as simple as fitting together pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. No need for extensive coding knowledge or months of development time. You seamlessly integrate the login page into your application, and voila! Your idea starts to take shape, faster and more efficiently than ever before. This concept isn't just about convenience. It's about democratizing access to technology and accelerating innovation. It empowers entrepreneurs to focus on their core ideas and business strategies, while leveraging the expertise of developers worldwide. Imagine the possibilities when building your dream app becomes as easy as shopping online. Wouldn't that be an exciting and transformative way to approach web application development? What do you think? Could this revolutionize how we approach app development? Feel free to share your thoughts and expand on these ideas in the comment section below. If you would like to see more imaginative ideas, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's build the future together.